Welcome HL and Hight staff. As you know, we have some new procedures in place for coming onto campus, and so we're going to take a tour through the office and go over those procedures really quick so that everybody has a good understanding of how to stay safe during COVID-19. So let's begin. When you walk in, you'll notice that there's an enter and exit sign. So there's one door for enter, one door for exit. Another sign here letting you know. Come on in to your right. Okay, so as you enter, the first thing you'll notice on your right is you're going to take your temperature. There is a silhouette of a face. You're going to place your face in there with your forehead. It's going to read your temperature. Mine says 98.5. As long as it's 100.1 or less, it means that you are okay. So the next thing that you're going to do is on the counter is a sign-in sheet. So you're going to sign in. The purpose of the sign-in sheet is to let custodial staff know that you are on campus so that your room can be deep cleaned so that we keep everybody safe. In addition to that, if you don't bring a mask from home, you'll be required to take one of these masks and wear it throughout the day. We practice using personal protective equipment, hand sanitizer, gloves if you need it. Along the floor, you're going to be directed for the path of travel that we're going to go. We always want to maintain 6 feet of working distance with our colleagues that are here in the office. There's sneeze guards that are up for the secretaries. That's for their safety. So we're going to also maintain 6 feet distance when we're with them. So as you walk in, there's going to be one direction. We're going to go this way. All right, as we turn the corner, you're going to notice that for the workroom, okay, there is one way into the workroom, and it's from this door here. All right, as we make the turn, you notice that there is one way into the workroom. There's arrows indicating the path of travel. We have signs. Always maintain 6 feet working distance with your colleagues. You'll still be able to check your mail in the mailbox. The copy machines are over here. And if you notice over here, throughout campus, we have maintain social distancing signs. So remind yourself of, we cover our nose and mouth. If we're coughing or sneezing, wear a face mask, all those things. Okay, we're going to exit out here one way. The exit is to our left. In the past, we used to have access to both doors. The door closest to the campus building is no longer an exit. That is only an entrance. So we're going to exit out here. Okay. Again, the signs indicate that this is an exit only. Okay, when you exit the office, you're going to walk down the corridor towards the classroom building here. You'll notice that we have maintain social distance floor markers, and there's 3 paths when you enter the classroom building. So if you're going to second grade, you're going to travel to the left following the arrows. If you're going to upper grade, so that's 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, you're going to ascend the stairs, mindful of the 6 feet social distance. And finally, if you're going to kinder or 1st grade, you're going to go to the right here, following the arrows all the way around to your classroom. It's quiet in here right now because we don't have students, but we hope to have them back very soon. In the meantime, anybody that is going to be working on campus will have a nice quiet place to do distance learning from. When you're done in the classroom, we will still follow these arrows, one-way path to travel. We don't want to cross other people, so we will exit out our double doors that are at the end of each wing. So this is the 2nd grade wing, but this is the same for the kinder and the 1st grade wing, and it's the same for 3rd, 4th, and 5th upstairs. Okay, so when you exit the back doors of the classroom building and you're heading back towards the office, we have a one-way into the office for staff. You're going to go over here to this door. You'll notice that this door has a sign that indicates this is an entrance only, so we can minimize any staff members crossing each other's paths. Okay, as we enter the door, you'll notice on the floor again we have arrows indicating the path of travel and signs to keep 6 feet distance. You'll notice here that this is the only entrance into the copy room right here, or you will continue to the right where you'll exit out the front if you need to, or if you need to go see the secretaries. You'll walk this way following the arrows, mindful of anybody exiting the copy room. When you get to the main office again, you'll be able to exit if you need to. If you need to speak to the secretaries, you'll keep 6 feet social distancing. The last thing you need to do is sign out, so you'll return following this path of travel back to the counter where the sign-out sheet is. You'll sign out your name. The custodians then will know that you've been here for the day and they can clean the room. All right, staff, you've made it to the end. So at the end of the day, you're going to follow the arrows to exit. Before you exit, it's important that you also sign out and you indicate all the rooms that you've visited for the day. This helps our custodial staff make sure that everything's nice and clean. All right. As you exit out the office, remember that this is also an entrance too, so you need to make sure that you're not going to bump into anybody, that there's 6 feet distance between you and anybody that's coming onto campus. If it looks all clear, you go through. And you exit out the right-hand side of the lobby door. Okay, and this is the end of our safety tour of the office and the classroom building. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I want to keep everybody safe, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon.